got called back out. We're going to install a replacement valve. And that's the old valve. The tank has been drained. They had a lot of water spill out, so we're just kind of cleaning up the water. That was all happened before I got here, so that's what we're working on today. Let's get the valve in and get the water cleaned up. Bring my vacuum with me. Try and get as much of this water as we can. Alright, yeah, the burner assembly is going to come back out. Water turn back on here. This is really comfortable, I tell you. Love the cells. Maybe. See. You can see how much higher that is. Well, it's not too bad, but I think it's too high. So they got a 9 flash. Rheem sent them a valve. This is the old valve. Out of the box, they got a 9 flash, which is the chamber sensor. So we don't want to put it back together with a bad chamber sensor. Okay, chamber sensor replacements. These poor guys, man, their bathroom flooded. They bought the house a couple years ago and it's already flooded on them twice. Because I work in construction, I'm going to try and hook them up with some contacts so they can like pay guys directly, save some money. Why this thing just keeps on giving with the water? It should stop. Feel bad going through all their towels. They didn't tell me about the flood, so they didn't tell me the heater was flooded out. They didn't tell me about the chamber sensor. Just trying to help them out here. So I got another service call tonight, as long as it stops raining, and another one tomorrow. Busy week here. I don't know how I got this thing on here last night. I really don't. I don't know what the hell. I'm going to switch this burner assembly out. Okay, so switched it over. You can see it's a lot lower than it was over here. And I should be able to just slide the burner assembly back in the way it's supposed to go back in. Alright. Now I think I got it. So I had to take this plate off. These burner assemblies are different sizes. One's an 18-inch, one's a 16-inch. Tried to put the 18 in, 18 doesn't work. So I took the mounting plate off and swapped them over, and it works out. So that should drop my pylon assembly so I can slide it in. Now I just need to find the set screw. That was it. So this plate, I don't know how it ended up with that thing, but it didn't fit. But I think someone was pulling on these wires. If he fucked this thing up, I would be so pissed off. I'm so pissed off. Okay, rebuilt again. I was really concerned because you see how much abuse this wiring harness took? That's because he just started ripping on it. And that's like kiss of death for thermopile wiring harness. Is to just keep pulling on it, you know? Or pulling on it down here. That's why I use the needle nose pliers. Every time it's like a clean removal. Anyway, so the water heater was flooded when we got here. We dried it out. We changed the valve to the valve they got from Rheem. We rebuilt the burner assembly, changed the plate on it so that the pilot assembly sits lower where it's supposed to. So yeah, this thing's about... Oh, we also changed the chamber sensor because that's the next code flash they were getting. So yeah, let's hope I don't have to come back here because this thing is just killing my back. Bending over this washing machine, trying to fit between this wall. This thing's awful. I filled up the water heater about 3/4 of the way because they said they had a flood in their bathroom, and I'm not sure if it's related to the hotline coming out of the water heater, so they can fill it up the rest of the way. I'm sure their temperature pressure relief valve is going to leak too because they use that to drain it, so it's probably not going to seat right. But anyway, thank you for watching. Return to the scene of the crime here. And rebuild yet another. I don't know when they start working on it, and I gotta come in and fix it. But we made a little bit of money. And anyway, thanks again for watching. Have a great day.